Good evening, guys. Hope you're all doing well today. Hope you guys are having a great day or night wherever you are in the world today. So, guys, in this video, I'm going to try and do a quick review of the Automatic Builder opportunity. Now, I'm in the back office of Automatic Builder, and I'm going to show you some things that'll give you a better understanding of how this opportunity can help, you as a marketer, regardless of your experience level. So, with the Automatic Builder platform, you're going to be able to come in at two different levels. You can join for free as well and check everything out, but there's a $27 level and a $47 level to this as well, product packages. And I'm going to show you what comes with those in a second. But I'm in the back office right now, and I do want to go over a few things before I dive into the products themselves. With this opportunity, first and foremost, there is a small monthly fee of $7.95 to maintain your back office to give you access to the tools and training that you need to help you be successful with the opportunity. Okay. When you buy the $27 and $47 packages, those are one-time payments only. You don't have to worry about paying for those. Once you pay your $27, $47, you have access to that product. Okay. Now, with this platform, you're going to be able to see a couple of different things, such as your sponsor recommendations. Now, what this does here, this little button, it allows you to click on your sponsor's information. Okay, you're going to see if they have a picture set up, you see their picture, you'll see their name, email address, and any business opportunities that they promote as well. They'll be able to promote up to 3 additional business opportunities in addition to the Automatic Builder opportunity. Okay, you get access to capture pages, and you get access to a landing page. Okay. You can access the support. You can join the Telegram group from here. You have some quotes in the back office as well. Your sponsor information will be here, name, email address. Okay. Automatic Builder subscription members have a wide variety of additional tools, autoresponders, capture, landing pages, and much more listed under the resources tab, which would be this little tab right here. And everything drops down for you. Leads and traffic, capture and landing pages, the ad revenue module, and the advanced tracking, which is optional. Right, your account information will be here, your profile, you can edit the About Me page, which actually I'm going to click on that really quick and show you what that looks like. So that little My Sponsor Recommendations button that I showed you guys before, it will lead to this page that's loading right now. Now, again, this opportunity allows you to promote additional business opportunities as well inside the platform. Okay, you'll see the information here. This is like my email address. Telephone number would be there. This will be the information that's here. This is the standard information that's already set up. I didn't change any of this. I didn't add any of this. This was already pre-written. All I did was add my Facebook information and my email. Okay. And then you have your link 1. You can put a description there. Link will be there. Link 2, description, link. Okay. Same thing here. Description and a link. And you're able to save these changes and preview these changes as well. Okay. Now, going a little bit further, I'm going to click on this page here really quick because I know there's a lot of things that come with this opportunity, and I want to make sure I go over as much as I possibly can without making this video too long. Okay, so when you purchase the $27 package or the $47 package, you're going to click on this option here to set up your direct pay. Now, what that's going to do is going to take you to this page here where you can add your payment methods. Okay, now you do see there's a variety of payment methods here. PayPal, Wave, Venmo, Cash App, Google Pay, Stripe, and Zelle. Okay, and then once those payment buttons are done, once you set all those up, you'll be able to go to your order page, click on that, and if you see the payment buttons, as it says, they're yours, otherwise no buttons will show, and it will be blank. Okay, so this is going to be the order page that comes up when someone orders a product from you. Going down here, this is what they're going to see when they're ready to order. Trial pack is free trial account. This is what it comes with: direct referral link, the capture page and landing page, sales order page, and a 1-year unlimited web hosting for a free trial account. That's that. Direct pay pack, direct referral link, same things as a trial pack, and you get access to top advertising resources. Okay, classified ads, text ads, solo ads, signature files, SMS text, and more. And there's also live training calls. Okay, $27 one time for that. Combo pack, which is your direct pay pack and your ad revenue module. Direct referral link, same as the other options here. Same as that there. Difference is you're going to be able to earn 100% commissions on the signups there, and you're going to earn on leads and advertising in the advertising pay module, and you're also going to get $150 worth of free advertising. Pretty cool, right? $47, no monthly fees. Okay, so that's what you're getting. I'll make sure I show you that again. Everything that you get, depending on where you come in at, will be right here for you, laid out. All right, laid out for you. All right. At the end of the day, guys, if you have an online business, one of the main things that a business owner should know, you need traffic. Traffic, traffic, traffic. This provides you with ways to get traffic, additional resources that you can use to get traffic to this opportunity, and additional opportunities as well that you promote. Okay. At the end of the day, this is a solid opportunity for new marketers, and it's a solid opportunity for experienced marketers because it provides marketers with resources that they may or may not know about that can help them get additional traffic to their opportunities through different methods. All right. Let me go back to the back office really quick. You got to be able to access your training area here, right? Let me make sure I'm not missing anything. And you also view your contacts that you come in through the capture page. You're going to have an email broadcaster, and you're going to have autoresponder messages. Now, again, there is a monthly fee of $7.95 to maintain all of this. Okay, you're going to want to make sure you pay that monthly fee. Otherwise, these options, this particular option here, will not be here. You'll still have access to your $27 and $27 product that you paid one time for. But if you don't pay that monthly fee, you're not going to be able to directly access the product right away. You're just going to be able to access the back office and a few other things as well. All right. Make sure you pay that membership fee. Okay. So before I wrap this video up, I just want to say that this is a solid opportunity for new marketers. It's a great way to earn side income as well. It's a great way to show new marketers different methods that they may or may not have known about from the beginning to help them grow their business, help them get more potential leads, more potential sales into their other opportunities, right? So basically, Automatic Builder is a platform that's pretty much helpful for, like I said, all marketers, regardless of experience level. But generally speaking, looking at the opportunity, I would say it's more for a beginner, someone that's new to the industry, getting started, doesn't know where to really begin and get, their hands on things, but it can still be beneficial to the experienced marketer as well. All right. So, that's it for me. Let's make sure there's nothing else that I'm missing. All right. Now you have a couple buttons down here. Nothing really important with these here. Let me see. I want to click on this. You know what I'm going to do? One last thing I'm going to do. I'm going to actually click on the ad revenue module. I'm going to show you a little bit of what that's about. Okay, I don't want to show you everything with that. Links that make you money. Traffic to your website, solo ads, safe lists, banners, etc. Alright, use the links below to sign up at the following lead generation companies. Once you get your affiliate link from that company, paste it in a corresponding box below, then click save. Okay, so this is one of them. Like I said, I'm not going to go down the full list, guys. Don't worry, I'm not going to reveal everything to you. But this is pretty much one of the options that you have here, okay, to get traffic to your business, pretty much, okay? And you also have a link to your $200 worth of banner and text ads here. That's something you can click on there. I'm not going to click on that, but you have that there as well, okay? So the ad revenue module does provide real resources that you can use, real traffic resources that you can sign up for, and drive traffic to your business. And it's really helpful and it's really beneficial. All right, so that's it for me, guys. I'm gonna wrap this video up and call it a night. But again, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. And I will definitely talk to you guys again soon. It's been a while since I've done a video for YouTube. I do apologize for that. Just a lot of things going on personally, but I'm back. I'm trying to do more videos for you guys. And if anything, I will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching this one. Until next time, take care, be safe, and enjoy the rest of your evening and your weekend as well. All right, take care, guys.